1 week English speaking course. In this video, we will learn about a 1 week English speaking course. This course is designed to help beginners improve their English speaking skills in just 7 days. We will cover simple steps, daily practice routines, and useful tips to build confidence in speaking English. By the end of the video, you will know how to practice speaking English every day and improve your communication skills quickly. Day 1. Start with basic greetings and introductions. On the first day, we will focus on basic greetings and introductions. These are the first things you need to know when speaking English. Learn common phrases like, "Hello, how are you? My name is your name. Nice to meet you. I am from your country." Practice saying these phrases out loud. You can talk to yourself in front of a mirror or record your voice to check your pronunciation. Try to use these phrases in real-life situations, like when you meet someone new or talk to a friend. Day 2. Build your vocabulary. On the second day, we will work on building your vocabulary. Knowing more words will help you speak English better. Start with simple, everyday words like food, apple, bread, water, family, mother, father, sister, places, school, park, home. Use flashcards or a notebook to write down new words and their meanings. Practice using these words in sentences. For example, I eat an apple. I go to the park. Try to learn at least 10 new words every day. Day 3. Practice simple sentences. On the third day, we will practice making simple sentences. This will help you express your thoughts in English. Start with basic sentence structures like, I like something. I want something. I go to place. For example, I like pizza. I want to go to the park. Practice speaking these sentences out loud. You can also write them down to remember them better. Day 4. Listen and repeat. On the fourth day, we will focus on listening and repeating. This will help you improve your pronunciation and fluency. Listen to simple English conversations, songs, or videos. You can find these on YouTube or language learning apps. Repeat what you hear. Try to copy the speaker's pronunciation and tone. Practice this for at least 15-20 minutes every day. Day 5. Speak with a partner. On the 5th day, we will practice speaking with a partner. This will help you gain confidence in speaking English. Find a friend, family member, or language partner to practice with. Use the phrases and sentences you learned in the previous days. For example, hello, how are you? What is your favorite food? Don't worry about making mistakes. The goal is to practice and improve. Day 6. Learn common phrases for daily life. On the 6th day, we will learn common phrases used in daily life. These phrases will help you communicate better in real-life situations. Learn phrases like, can you help me, please? Where is the bathroom? How much does this cost? Practice using these phrases in different situations. For example, imagine you're at a store or a restaurant and try to use these phrases. Day 7. Review and practice everything. On the last day, we will review everything we learned during the week. Go over the greetings, vocabulary, sentences, and phrases you practiced. Try to have a short conversation in English using everything you learned. Remember, practice is the key to improving your English speaking skills. What we have learned in this video. In this video, we learned about a 1-week English speaking course. We started with basic greetings and introductions, built our vocabulary, practiced simple sentences, listened and repeated, spoke with a partner, learned common phrases for daily life, and reviewed everything on the last day. By following these steps, you can improve your English speaking skills in just 1 week. Keep practicing every day and you will see great progress. This step-by-step guide is easy to follow and perfect for new English learners. With daily practice and dedication, you can become more confident in speaking English.